Hello, my name is Alexander Nagast. I will be your online instructor for Math 150 Plain Trigonometry for the summer semester of 2024. Today we will be discussing the syllabus as well as outlining course expectations and how to be successful for a summer online course. What you see here is the syllabus. It can be found online on the Canvas page. I'm going to run through it real briefly. And so let's begin. The class coordinator is Layla, and I am the online instructor. Please contact me at this email here. I will also be hosting office hours Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 11:20 a.m. That is Central Time. Meeting ID is listed, as well as my link. Now, you will also see this on the main Canvas page. There is a textbook, it is free, it is online, you can download it as a PDF. Please use this as a secondary resource that you can review any content in here. There's many examples, and a lot of the problems will be pulled from the book. For the lectures, I will be posting 5 videos a week, or 1 video per lecture day. I will also be having a learning check-in in those videos, and I'll go into more detail in a bit. What the expectation is that you have at least 1 hour of the material a day. This is beyond what the lecture is. So watching the lecture is an hour, and it's expected that you do around an hour's worth of work outside of the lecture, whether that be through homework or through independent studies. It will be faster paced than what a normal program would look like. For engagement, we have a 10% participation grade in this course. For online engagement, it will be in the form of answering the check-in learning. What that will be very apparent after the first lecture video you watch, but it will be at some point in the lecture video, I will say, for your check your learning, please answer the following question. And I'll state what that is. It is not going to be a homework 2.0 for you to do. It is more of, did you watch the video? And it'll be something that will either be a singular step to a problem or rewriting an equation, maybe solving an equation for another variable, something to that effect. For your homework, it will be scanned. There are many apps available to you. I highly suggest Genius Scan, and that I have on my phone. You can take pictures of documents and it'll automatically make it a PDF. You can send it to your email, and there you can get it onto the Canvas page. Note that homeworks will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, and the due date will be posted on Canvas. You have until then to post the assignment. Something I will note for the check-in learning, you will compile all of your check-in learnings and submit them all at once at the end of the week. I will have the quiz available to you for the entirety of the week, but please submit it whenever you finish all the lecture videos, whether that be you watch all of them on Monday or watch all of them on Sunday or independently throughout the week. However schedule best suits you, submit them before Sunday night and you'll receive the points allotted. For the exams, there will be 4 exams, 3 during the semester and 1 final. Each exam, you'll have 60 minutes to answer questions, and you have 15 minutes to upload them. For the final, you'll have 120 minutes to answer exam questions and 30 minutes to upload them. Please note that they will be, in a sense, take home, meaning that you'll have a 24-hour period for which the exam will be available to you. You open up the quiz on Canvas where you will see the problems. You write down the problems with their solution and you answer them. Once you're all done answering them, you'll scan them and upload them to the same quiz by the end of the day, or by the end of the 75-minute period. And that period starts upon opening the exam. For the grading policy, it will be the standard. A is 100 to 90%, B is 89 to 80%, C is 79 to 70%, D is 69 to 60%, and F is 59% or lower. For resources, there's the Academic Achievement Center. There will be help hours. I will check and make an email and or Canvas post on whether or not they have online hours. But I highly suggest to email me with any questions you have. I will also suggest you come to my office hours. For academic honesty with homeworks, we encourage you guys to work together. However, you have to submit separate homework. So if you and somebody work on an assignment together via Skype or Discord, or maybe in person, I don't know, you each have to submit your own assignment. You can't go, who has the best handwriting? Let's just submit that one as both of us. No, you each have to send in your own assignment, even if you work together on it. With that said, you cannot work together on it for exams. Exams are taken by yourself. And for the check-in learning, don't just share the answers to other classmates. Let the other classmates find, and once you see them, jot them down, submit them at the end of the week. One more thing about academic honesty is with the exam dates. There's a 24-hour window in which to take the exam. So unless there's something inhibiting you to take the exam within that 24 hours, like you have a 14-hour plane ride because you're coming back to the United States from Australia or something like that, please note you have to make a statement about that 2 weeks in advance. So if there's an issue that you maybe have a surgery planned or something of the like, please email myself with Layla attached in that email chain. And we will discuss an alternative for you. If something unexpected happens, like a death of a family member, please contact us as soon as possible. If you require additional time through any such validated disabilities or learning accommodations, please contact those that you see here, and they will be able to allow us to give you those accommodations, whatever they may be. And the rest is standard. We have an inclusive environment. We do not discriminate against anybody for any such reason. And please be respectful to classmates as well as instructors. And the last thing I want to mention is the schedule. The schedule, we will have a brief review as well as going through the first section of the book. That will be week 1. Note, we will have 2 days of the week that we don't have classes. They are federal holidays of Juneteenth and Independence Day, July 4th. So on these days, there will be no class. For these weeks, I will be posting 4 videos instead of 5. And I will also not be conducting office hours during these days. With that in mind, there's a reminder of the homework due dates, the exam due dates, and so please be mindful of them. And as I stated before, this class will be at an accelerated rate because we only have 38 days of instruction period, I believe, and that is not a lot of time. So if you end up falling behind for whatever reason, please reach out to me and we can discuss options and try and get you back on track. And I hope that you have a good semester and that all of you pass and have a good feeling and understanding of what trigonometry is and the uses of it. So with that in mind, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.